Okay. Durga Sai, hi.
Children, children, I would like to introduce. It's a great privilege for me to introduce a great person, and he's Mr. G. Sudhakar Garu. He's a prominent environmentalist, and he has done a lot of research on biodiversity. And it's great to see the people are working on biodiversity. We are now in a day where people are not minding about the biodiversity, but really, our Sudhakar sir really doing a job. He's in what we call in a mission to protect our biodiversity, and he has written a book, and the title of the book is Jiva Vaividyam. That means biodiversity. Of course, he is working in a school. He is presently in a Chittur, and today he is interacting with us. He will definitely interact with you, and you can ask your particular information related. Sir, we are this year we are participating in Wipro project, sir, and the title is the sign, and we are doing on sustainability and biodiversity, sir. So our children are eagerly doing all this work in the past 2 weeks, sir, and they have their own some questionnaire with them, sir. They would like to talk with you, sir.
Yes, first of all, I congratulate all the students. Now the bonding topic needed subject. They are going studying on that one. They are submitting project. It's very necessary just for survival of human being. Congratulate all the team. Namaste, madam.
Madam. Good evening, madam.
Sir, namaste, sir. Thank you so much. It is your third meeting. First 2 years మీరు బయోడైవర్సిటీకి మాకు స్టేట్ లెవెల్స్ కి మంచి ఆదరణ లభించింది. కాకపోతే మా టీచర్ అండ్ అదర్ స్టూడెంట్స్ టీచర్స్ ఏమనుకుంటున్నారంటే మనది నేషనల్ అవార్డు అవ్వలేదు అని. సో దాని గురించి చాలా స్ట్రాంగ్ గా ఈసారి వర్క్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో ఆల్ ఆఫ్ us ఆర్ ఇన్ ద వే ఆఫ్ డూయింగ్ ఇట్ వెరీ వెల్. దానిలో భాగంగా ఈరోజు ఈ బయోడైవర్సిటీ గురించి కొన్ని విషయాలు తెలుసుకోవడానికి, రిఫ్లెక్షన్స్ రాసుకోవడానికి పిల్లలకి ఈరోజు మీతో ఇంటర్వ్యూకి మీ టైం తీసుకున్నాను సార్. క్యారీ ఆన్ చిల్డ్రన్.
Just you are asking questions, ma? Hello?
Yes. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yogita? Yes.
Okay, ready, ma. Just to ask.
Good evening, sir. We are doing the project Wipro Earthian on sustainability and biodiversity.
Yeah, ma.
In part of this, today we are interacting with you to get some information about biodiversity.
Yeah, sure.
Shall we ask some questions to clarify?
Yeah, definitely. Just you ask, ma.
Yogita, you can ask. Continue.
Sir, Mahin will ask.
Sir,
What?
Who are asking?
My name is Mahin, sir.
Yeah.
I am studying 8th standard.
Yeah.
So today we have gathered to ask some questions, sir.
Definitely, ma. Definitely. Just I like
Sir,
your school is very much. All the time I'm sharing about your school and your works with my students. Just okay.
Sir, what is meant by biodiversity in your own words?
So biodiversity means the different types of creatures and their lifestyles. If the more than in the earth, more than 84 lakhs of creatures identified, some more they are doing research for identifying. In this 84 lakhs of creatures, just bacteria to elephant. The bacteria is also creature, the human beings also creature, but every creature their own lifestyles. But why we need to study, why we need to think about, we are also the part of biodiversity. In the 84 lakhs of creatures, we are among them. Before the humans existed on the earth, just 2 crores before years, the bacteria is existed. The ant is our 2 lakhs years, 2.5 lakhs years before the man. our ancestors. Ants are human ancestors. But why we study biodiversity? Why we need to know? The biodiversity is one cycle system. Every creature is supporting for others. Every creature is supporting for others. That's why we need to know about biodiversity. All our life is depend on biodiversity. Different types of creatures and their lifestyles.
So
Yeah.
nowadays people are not caring about the biodiversity. So what are the measures to conserve the biodiversity?
That's why we are conducting this like projects, ma. Just we are the people, just we are very much adapted to biodiversity. We lived as a farmers. My father is a farmer. Just I go there for fields, I worked in the fields. I so much of direct experience with how the creatures are helping for us. Just I had so much of experience. But your generation is only you are going for studies and examinations and competitions. You don't know what the things are going around us. That is very lacking problem. That's why the so many institutions like the science projects are going conducting to know about the biodiversity, the value of the biodiversity. Otherwise, so many people are don't know the biodiversity. Just why I take the responsibility as a biodiversity propagator. Just my responsibility is make aware the people of next generation. That is my responsibility. That is the best gift of myself.
Yes, sir. Sir, what are the factors support of biodiversity?
The factors means just all the environmental factors are sustainable or maintained in a proper way. That all are helpful sustainability of biodiversity. The factors means pollution, plastic usage, soil, pesticides usage, next conservation of water bodies, not polluting water bodies, the forest ecological system. This all we need to be, you put in the better way that will help our biodiversity. That is main factor is we need to know what the factors uh, help for us. What is the important of biodiversity? Even one small spider is also not to be disturbed. The spider's web is not to be disturbed. That one is very valuable for us. That we are knowing of all the things about biodiversity that is the supporting factor, main supporting factor. The change in human mind. First, we need to change our mind. Just we accept we are the part of biodiversity. Just we need to accept all the creatures are our family. Just like father, mother, how we are getting relationship. That kind of relationship we are showing that factor mainly help for sustainability or the survival of biodiversity. That is the main
Yes,
fact.
of course. Sir, what are the world's rarest species?
The rarest,
Sir.
the rarest species, what we called, if the species density or population is very low, that is called rarest species. Yes, in or Andhra Pradesh, Kalivikodi is very the only the we can count only 5 or 6, maybe the 10. That's why we call it as the rarest species. For coming days, every species is rarest species. After that,
Yes, sir.
humans also the rarest species. Vanishing of all animals, what will happen? We will become rarest species.
Rarest species.
Yeah.
Sir, how is biodiversity measured or identified?
The biodiversity is identified in one particular area. How much of plants need to be, how many frogs in 1 acre, maybe, in every 1 acre, 30 frogs are needed. Like that, the count is there. How much of protozoa is needed in 1 gram of soil, in 1 feet of soil, or maybe 1 square meter of soil. How many earthworms need to be exist? Like that, we need to calculate.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Nice, man. Nice questions.
Sir, good evening, sir. My name is Yashwant, sir. I am from Arvind High School.
What class you are studying? S1, Sai?
Ninth class, sir.
Ninth class. Where you are from? Guntur?
Sir, I am from Ippatam, sir.
Okay, okay.
Sir, which is the world's rarest biodiversity hotspot?
Not we can tell that rarest biodiversity hotspots is there,
Yes, sir.
Biodiversity hotspots we can tell. We can't possible tell rarest biodiversity hotspot. So many hotspots there. In the population of 0.5, the species are existed in one area. That is called biodiversity hotspot.
Sir. What is the
The Himalayas are the biodiversity hotspots. Aravalli Mountains are the biodiversity hotspots. Western Ghats are the biodiversity hotspots. We can tell Seshachalam is also biodiversity hotspot. That's why we called as the rare species are existed in the particular area.
Yes, sir.
Red sandhill.
What is the being to do preserve a biodiversity hotspot?
Just I couldn't understand. Please repeat.
What is being done to preserve biodiversity hotspot?
What is being
Done to preserve biodiversity hotspots?
I couldn't understand your question, Again you tell, man.
Okay, sir.
Sir, what is being done to preserve the biodiversity hotspots?
Yes, you tell, repeat again, please. What?
Is the
What should we do to preserve biodiversity hotspots?
Voice is breaking, Nana.
okay? What should we do to preserve it? That's one.
What should we do it? Biodiversity hotspots,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Preserve it.
Voice is breaking. I think, sir.
Yes, not to be approach in that area. It is particularly reserved area, not to be encroached any. Some human activities are not permitted to do.
Yes, sir.
That is main. That's why they are hot. When the one area is identified as the hot area, so many restrictions are there. You need to follow. If any the violation are happening, there must be in a criminal action. Not to be hunt, not to be hurt any animals. That is area is a particularly protected area. Protected area.
Which is the largest biodiversity reserve in India?
I think that means the Western Ghats. Western Ghats.
Okay.
Covered
many
in both states.
How many biodiversity hotspots are there in India? What is it? Hello. Sir, am I audible?
Yeah. Just I will give some information.
Okay.
You can get that information is in my book is there,
Okay,
Sir.
Yes,
Gangadhar, sir.
given book. Yes, sir. They have given book.
Yeah, in that one you can get information.
Okay,
Otherwise, some statistical data you will put questions to me. I will send answers.
Okay,
through
sir.
WhatsApp, sir.
Okay, sir.
Yes, in India, biosphere reserves are there. 18 biosphere reserves are there. Just I need to tell. 18 biosphere reserves are there. Biosphere reserves. Sheshachalam is also one of that one.
Yes, one. Did you note down?
Yes, sir. I wrote that.
Sir, any question if you are not getting answer, please send me questions. Then I will send answers to you all.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes. In that book, it is there. Yes.
It's there in one map is also I mentioned it that one.
Okay.
The middle of the book is also one map is a printed. Just what are the throughout the world is also how many biodiversity hotspots are there mentioned in that book, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Next question, my tell me.
Next question.
What is the meaning of sub-biodiversity?
Sub-biodiversity